We are pleased to show you the 2015 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, Bose sound system, heated seats, XM satellite radio, running boards, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.